You want to give me a gift? That's awesome. I'll definitely take it. But be careful. You have to be careful how much you give me. So you can each year in 2023, you can give me 17 grand. You can actually give as many people as you want $17,000 a year. How awesome is that? So you can give me, you can give my brother, you can give my mother, my mom, my mother, I think the same people. You can give anyone you want 17 grand. You can give it away. And if you're married, you each can give out, you can do 17 grand each. So if you and your wife or husband want to give me money, you can give me 34 grand every year. That's awesome. And you do that, it's not taxable to you. But what happens if you give more than that, right? So say you give more than 17 grand. Well, what's going to happen is, we'll see in a second. My ride is here, see? So if you give me more than the 17 grand, feel free to send it in Venmo. If you give me more than the 17 grand, you think I, the receiver, would have to pay taxes. No, you, the donor, would have to pay taxes on that money. But it's not an automatic, because what happens is there are exceptions. So one of them is the lifetime exception. So you're allowed to give up to as of this year, you're allowed to give up to $13 million away over your lifetime. So if you give me, say, 20 grand, right? You give me 20 grand, and you're over that by 3 grand, you don't have to pay taxes on the 3 if you just apply it towards your 12.92 million lifetime exclusion. So that would work. You just got to keep records of it. So then before you die, go, oh, am I over 13 million? If you are, then you have to pay taxes on that. Now, there are other exceptions. So let's say you want to pay my college or my hospital bill. If you give me the money, the gift applies. But if you actually pay the institution, like the college or the hospital, the gift rules don't apply. That's kind of cool too. So again, if you pay the institution, it doesn't count as a gift, which is awesome. Now, the other one is, if you have a 529 plan, which is that college savings plan, there's really no limit. There's big limits, like hundreds of thousands of dollars to be put in this thing for your children. Can't speak. But what's cool is that they actually let you front load. So you normally can give 17 grand away. You can put 17 grand per person, as many people as you want. But in the 529, they let you actually front load 5 years worth. So whatever 5 times that is. So 5 times 10 is 50. So you can give $85,000 now in the 529, but then you can't give more over the next 5 years unless you're going to use it towards your lifetime credit. So it's kind of cool. So again, the gift tax rule is 17 grand a year. If you go over, there are exceptions like the lifetime, or if you pay the institution directly, or that's kind of it. But hope that helps a little bit. That could be on the Series 7 exam, the SIE exam, the 65 or the 66, or hopefully this helps you on your own. And I hope you feel inspired to give it to your favorite TikToker. Oh God, am I a TikToker? Ooh, what the hell am I? Ugh.